This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 9 Review. How to work to live. Do you think it's better to work to live or live to work? That's a tough one. When I was younger, all the careers advice I got was about finding a stable job with good security. Same here. My parents always said being successful meant having a steady paycheck and a promotion every few years. Well, money is necessary for modern life, but there is more to life than the office. I realized that working non-stop just made me tired and unhappy. I agree. I like my work, but I don't want it to control my whole life. Right. Work should support your life, not become your life. I think balance is the real success. Right. But now we should get back to work. Okay. Good job.